Hi, my loves. Welcome back. There's a lot shifting behind the scenes right now between the Department of Justice power plays and the Supreme Court case that could change voting rights forever. It's easy to feel like we're watching history repeat itself in real time, but Spirit always knows the truth behind what's unfolding. So today we're going to Spirit to ask for clarity. But remember, every message that's shared in this session is for spiritual insight and entertainment purposes only. Everything discussed is alleged. Please always trust your own intuition. Take only what resonates and lovingly leave anything that doesn't. If you would like a personal pendulum or tarot reading, you'll find the link to my Etsy shop in the pinned comment and in the video description. Let's begin. Jack Smith was the special counsel who prosecuted the Orange One for stealing classified documents and trying to overturn the 2020 election. This was until both cases were dropped after he won in November of 2024. Now Jim Jordan wants Jack Smith to testify by October 28th, claiming the prosecutions were politically motivated. But here's the twist. Smith just broke his silence, calling out the current DOJ for being the real political actors. He says that the DOJ is currently targeting Trump's enemies like James Comey, Letitia James, and Adam Schiff while pretending that it's all legal. Jack Smith insists that his cases were legitimate and grounded in real violations of the law. Republicans are accusing him of spying on members of Congress during the investigation. And let's not forget that there's a second report on the classified documents case that's been hidden from the public, one that Republicans might accidentally force out in the open by demanding all of Smith's documents. Were Jack Smith's prosecutions of the Orange One politically motivated? No, thank you. Were those prosecutions based on legitimate violations of the law? Yes, thank you. Did Jack Smith's investigation improperly spy on members of Congress? No, thank you. Was the FBI's review of congressional phone records legally justified? Yes, thank you. Will Jack Smith testify before Jim Jordan's committee? Yes, thank you. If he testifies, will Jack Smith plead the Fifth Amendment? We're getting a maybe. Will Jack Smith face criminal charges for his investigations of the Orange One? Yes, thank you. Will these charges hold up in court? No, thank you. Will Jack Smith have to go to court over these charges? Yes, thank you. Will those charges be thrown out? Yes, thank you. Are these charges going to be just Republican political theater? Yes, thank you. Is a hidden report about the classified documents case damaging to the Orange One? Yes, thank you. Will Jim Jordan's document demands accidentally force the release of that report? Yes, thank you. Will the public ever see Jack Smith's full classified documents report? Yes, thank you. Is the current DOJ targeting the Orange One's perceived enemies for political reasons? Yes, thank you. Was the indictment of James Comey politically motivated? Yes, thank you. Should Pete Hegseth and Mike Waltz face investigation for using the Signal app to discuss DOJ matters? Yes, thank you. Will they face investigation for using the Signal app to discuss DOJ matters? We're getting a yes, but not yet. Did the Orange One personally order the DOJ to indict James Comey? Yes, thank you. Will more of the Orange One's political enemies be indicted by this DOJ? Yes, thank you. Is Jack Smith telling the truth when he says that his cases were not politically motivated? Yes, thank you. Are the current DOJ prosecutions of Comey and Letitia James legitimate? No, thank you. Will any DOJ prosecutors refuse to work on politically motivated cases? Yes, thank you. Is Jim Jordan's investigation into Jack Smith politically motivated? Yes, thank you. Will Jim Jordan's investigation result in any formal consequences for Jack Smith? No, thank you. Did Jack Smith's team violate any laws during their investigations? No, thank you. Will Jack Smith be deported as the Orange One has threatened? No, thank you. But I'm getting the feeling that they're really going to try. Will Jack Smith be jailed as the Orange One has threatened? No, thank you. Is the rule of law in America genuinely under attack right now? Yes, thank you. Will the DOJ collapse from mass resignations of career prosecutors? No, thank you. Did Jack Smith's London interview damage his credibility with his criticisms of the Orange One's DOJ? No, thank you. But I'm getting the feeling that the Republicans are really going to cling to that. Oral arguments just happened on October the 15th in a case that could completely gut what's left of the Voting Rights Act. Louisiana was ordered to add a second majority Black congressional district since Black voters make up 31% of the state, but they only had one out of the six districts. A group of white voters sued, calling it reverse discrimination. And now here's the kicker: Louisiana switched sides and is siding with the white plaintiffs. And of course, the orange one's DOJ is backing them too. If the Supreme Court rules against Section 2, Republicans could redraw at least 19 more House seats in their favor, and maybe even before the 2026 midterms. If this happens, then challenging radically discriminatory maps would become almost impossible. Today, the conservative justices were openly skeptical of protecting minority voting rights. Even Roberts, who defended the VRA 2 years ago, seems ready to walk it back. Will the Supreme Court strike down Section 2 of the Voting Rights Act? Yes, thank you. Will the court rule that creating majority Black districts is unconstitutional? Yes, thank you. Is this case actually about protecting white voters from discrimination? No, thank you. Will Republicans redraw 19 or more House districts if they win this case? Yes, thank you. Will any of those new maps be implemented before the 2026 midterms? Yes, thank you. Will Chief Justice Roberts vote to uphold the Voting Rights Act this time? We're getting a maybe. Will Justice Kavanaugh be the swing vote in this case? Yes, thank you. Based on the current energy, will Justice Kavanaugh vote to uphold the Voting Rights Act? Can't answer that right now. Is the Louisiana redistricting case genuinely about constitutional principles? No, thank you. Did Louisiana switch sides in this case for political reasons? Yes, thank you. Is the DOJ's position in this case racially motivated? Yes, thank you. Will Black voters lose meaningful representation in Congress if this ruling goes against them? Yes, thank you. Will this ruling lead to more racially gerrymandering across Southern states? Yes, thank you. Is the claim that race based districts are reverse discrimination valid? No, thank you. Should there be an endpoint to race based remedies in voting rights law, as Kavanaugh suggested? No, thank you. Will this ruling be as devastating to voting rights as Shelby County versus Holder was in 2013? Yes, thank you. Will Democrats lose future hold of the House due to the impact of this ruling? Yes, thank you. Is racial polarization in Louisiana voting as extreme as the liberal justices described? We're getting a maybe. Will the court issue a ruling before the 2026 elections? Yes, thank you. Will this case make it nearly impossible to challenge discriminatory voting maps in the future? Yes, thank you. Are the conservative justices genuinely concerned about discrimination against white voters? No, thank you. Thank you so much for staying with me through this session, love. I'll be honest, this one hurt. What came through in the Supreme Court section felt like a gut punch. I know many of us were hoping that the bare minimum would be protected, that something as basic as voting rights wouldn't be ripped away in plain sight, and yet here we are, again. I do my best to stay spiritually grounded and neutral when interpreting these answers. My emotions don't shape the pendulum's responses, spirit does. But that doesn't mean that I don't feel them. I feel every word we asked today, and I feel the weight of what came through just as many of you do. It's getting harder and harder to pretend this is politics as usual, because it's not. We're watching the same playbook unfold line by line, and every time that we accept it, they push the boundary further. At some point, there needs to be a line that we refuse to let them cross. I'm so frustrated that I feel like it's time to stop cooperating with the system that refuses to protect us. I really think that a general strike is the only thing that's going to get us change. Hitting them where it hurts them the most, their wallets, their checkbooks, their bank accounts, is going to be the only way that they listen to us. I feel like a general strike isn't radical, it's survival. But anyway, I'm going to get off of here before I say something that will get me put on a list. Please take care of yourselves, take care of your communities, and if today's answer stirred up pain or fury or hopelessness in you, just know that you are not wrong to feel that way. I am right there with you. As always, these messages are shared for spiritual insight and entertainment only. I'm simply reading the energy in real time. Trust your own discernment, listen to your intuition, and only take what resonates with your heart and leave anything that doesn't. If you're interested in a personal pendulum or tarot reading, I offer them on my Etsy shop. You'll find the link in the pinned comment below and in the video description. Love, you are not imagining what's happening, you're not overreacting, and you're definitely not alone. I love you, and I'll meet you in the comments.